Hello people, my name is Jared Field and I will be your instructor in this course. So right over here we are going to create a beautiful WordPress website step by step. It's looking fresh, clean and modern. So we got 4 pages. I will also show you how you create those pages. Right over here and right over here. And when we scroll down we have a beautiful services page. And right over here we have the contact us page. So this is going to become a nice website, a beautiful website in my opinion. And we just created it in 12 minutes or something else. So no coding knowledge required, it's all drag and drop. Hello people, now we're going to sign up for a hosting plan. Click on get started to get started with the hosting. I'm going to give you a discount on HostGator, so you can check out for just $13. So right over here you have the hatchling plan, that is for one website, and the baby plan for unlimited, and business plan for not normally much websites. So okay, right over here I click on buy now, and here I'm gonna enter my domain name. So for example, if I want to type Jared and Elementor, because Elementor is a page builder that we're going to use in this tutorial. So it's really useful, you can create a really fast website with it. So if you want to create your own business or online website, just create it like this. So I'm going to select 1 month and enter here all your information, your credit card or PayPal information. And right over here, you can use the coupon Jared26 and it gives you a lot of discount on HostGator. So that's great. So okay, I'm going to scroll down. You see that the amount is $86. That's not what we want because we want it cheaper. So right over here, I'm going to deselect things. And right over here, it's $30. And after that, $10 or $12 a month. And you can host unlimited websites. Remember, unlimited. So I'm going to click on checkout. And so now we are at the dashboard of HostGator. This is where you control your website and manage your whole website. So I'm going to click on this WordPress manager so we can install WordPress. WordPress is a system where you can build a website with. So I'm going to click on install now and just select the domain that you purchased, and right over here you can leave this empty in your case, but I'm going to enter a subdomain, so a directory. So right over here you can enter your password, your desired password, and your desired blog name. So for example, my site. And here are templates that you can use, but so right over here, you're gonna enter your email and it sends your details to your email so you can log in easily again. So right over here, I'm gonna click on the link and it will redirect you to your dashboard of WordPress. So congratulations, you've just made it now to the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing that we are going to do is take a look at the website. It's looking pretty empty and pretty ugly right now. So I'm going to click on the dashboard and I will scroll down and click on appearance and themes. So right over here, I'm going to select WordPress.org themes. And we will wait until it's loaded. And right over here, we get the latest themes. So you can install a theme if you want, but I'm going to do one for the course, for the tutorial. And I'm going to search for the Extra theme. That's the most popular theme. It's looking empty, but we're going to implement layouts. Layouts are just designs that you can implement with your website. So I'm going to install the theme, the design, and I'm going to click on the install button. It's installed right now and it's active right now. So right over here you got the Extra theme and we're going to visit our website. So it's still looking pretty empty and pretty ugly. And we're going to change that. And we go to the menus first. So I show you how you create pages in your website. Enter here menu 1 or whatever you want and select the primary menu. So don't forget to select the primary menu. I'm going to click on create menu. And right over here, I'm going to click on sample page and add to menu. Right over here, you can rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to call it the home page. I'm going to click on save the menu right over there. And our menus are created. So what we're going to do now, we are going to add a plugin. It's called Starter Themes for the Extra theme. So you can implement free layouts for your website. So right over here is Starter Theme. I search for starter themes, and you can already click on this link right over there, but it's got more than 1 million installs, so it's a very popular way to create your very own website. I'm going to click on install now and click on activate. And right over here, I'm gonna create a design, implement a design. So I'm gonna click on C library. If you do exactly the same like me, you will succeed. So okay, right over here, and I'm gonna search for the themes. You have premium themes, link is in the description, but we are going to use a free theme here. So I'm gonna go to the top and search for something. Right over here, they got really great layouts. You can create a website in minutes without any coding knowledge required. That's great. So right over here, I'm gonna select free, and you will see the free templates. So I like them all, but I like this one for this tutorial. Whoa, that's fast. It's you have created your very own website right now. So I'm gonna click on skip and continue. You can select some primary colors for it. So right over here, in a orange, in pink, in yellow, in blue, in all kind of stuff. So it's really useful. So I'm gonna scroll down, and I choose the default layout. Okay, the blue one. I click on continue, and they ask a lot of information, but you can skip that and click on submit. So let's go to Unsplash, the site where we get resources for our images just for free. So right over here, they got beautiful images, and you can choose whatever you want for your website, and I'm going to show you how you insert them in your website. So I'm going to click on download now, and I go back to the site. So this is how it is, and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, let's continue. So this is your website right now. It's looking pretty good in my opinion, but we're going to make it look beautiful. So right over here, I click on style, choose image, upload files, and choose your file that you've selected from the from unsplash.com. Link is in the description. It's free. Whoa, this is looking amazing in my opinion. We got a very professional website in just minutes. I'm going to show you another image, and that is this one. So right over here, you can customize the text by just double click and change it. So right over here, I'm going to enter create with Jared field. So your developer, your tutor. Right over here, I'm going to click on update. And right over here, I'm going to show the website. Let's take a look at it. It's looking amazing in my opinion. And we created this just in minutes. So you don't need any coding knowledge required. So okay, let's change and customize the website a little bit. And I'm going to show you how you do that. So don't worry. Right over here, I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. And right over here, the stage create, where you can choose full width or boxed. Doesn't matter, just what you like or prefer. And right over here, I'm going to enter the image height. It doesn't matter in this case. And if you want to change this, just double click on it or remove it by clicking on the icon. So this is your website right now. You created a beautiful portfolio website or for your own business. So if you want to change the image, just double click and select the image from the library and click on Inset Gallery, and it will change automatically. So this is really easy. So you can create your very own website in minutes without coding knowledge required. Right over here are premium Elementor blocks. So if you want to customize your site a little bit, I highly recommend to use the premium Elementor theme, page builder, sorry. So right over here, the link is in the description, and you can choose a lot of amazing sites for your Elementor website, your WordPress website. So I really like the Elementor Pro Page Builder because you got like hundreds of layouts just for a cheap price. If you go to a web developer, it will cost you automatically like $500 or $1,000, and this is much cheaper to create your own very own website. So right over here, I click on history, and you can see that you can go back in time with the Elementor Page Builder. So it's really easy to customize, and if you made any mistakes, you can just reset them. So right over here, I'm gonna click on update, and there it is. And we're gonna change the order of the website, the sections. So I want to appear this right over here. I want to appear it above this folder. So I'm gonna change this, and I'm gonna click on this. Let's go back, just show you the Elementor page builder. Okay, right over here, you got the footer, and if you want to change this, you can just drag it there. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. So just drag and drop, and it's now under this portfolio section. So let's take a look. Okay, that's looking amazing. So we have created just your website in a few minutes. Isn't that great? So right over here, you can select your images, you can customize your own website, and you can go online in minutes. So I want to thank you for watching, and create your dream website today with Jared Field.